Okay, this is a demo to show you how to create and mark files from CSV file marking. So we create a file, no Patmark is connected. You type in the name field, select text, position it, click the double plus, type in the number, select text, move the jogging down. Going to need to lower the text size to about 4 mil and change the pitch so that it fits in one screen. So perhaps 3.5 will be a better font size. Okay, when you're happy with that setup, you need to create a data file. So here we have some test data, a name column and a phone number column. We export that, just download, export as a CSV sheet. We have that in a folder. So in the software, we click on CSV file marking. We need to navigate, click on this and navigate and select the CSV file data. Click open and you'll see we have our fields here. This will automatically populate these two, field 1 and field 2 on the screen. Every time you mark a job, it will move to the next line. Yep, I think you can flick them over if you need, reorder them. That's it. And then when you're happy, they'll eliminate when you mark them and you can click save to resave the test data.